In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create this viral 3D figurine character with Gemini AI Nano Banana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a regular photo into a cute, collectible-style 3D character with a glossy finish and premium look. First, open your Gemini account. If you're brand new, head to the Gemini website or app and follow the standard sign-in or account creation flow. Make sure you're using a secure connection and that you have permission to use the photo you're about to upload. A clear portrait you own or have rights to will give you the best results. Keep privacy in mind and avoid sensitive details in any text you type. Once you're in, look for the plus icon. This is typically the button to start a new creation or conversation. Clicking it opens a fresh workspace where you can upload an image and guide the model with your instructions. Next, upload your image. Choose a well-lit photo with the face clearly visible. A front-facing or three-quarter angle works best, and a simple background helps the model focus on the subject. If the platform allows basic adjustments like cropping, center the face and shoulders so the character silhouette reads well. Avoid low-resolution or heavily filtered images as they can muddy the final look. Now enter your prompts. In the message area, clearly describe what you want. You can paste this as is for a strong starting point. Using the uploaded photo, transform this person into a viral-style 3D collectible figurine. Keep the facial features recognizable, but stylize the character like a cute designer toy with a slightly oversized head, smooth plastic texture, glossy finish, and soft studio lighting. Make it look like a premium collectible toy displayed on a small stand. This wording tells the model to preserve identity cues while applying that toy-like aesthetic, including material, lighting, and presentation. Keep your language simple and avoid adding any personal or sensitive information. Then wait patiently until it generates your prompts and produces the image. Processing time can vary based on traffic and image complexity, so give it a moment. You should see a polished, studio-lit figurine-style version of your subject with that smooth, glossy plastic look and a small display stand that sells the premium collectible vibe. If your original photo was clear and well-framed, the character's face should feel recognizable while still looking adorably stylized, thanks to the slightly oversized head and simplified features. That's all you need to get a viral-ready 3D figurine character with Gemini AI Nano Banana. Simple, fast, and fun. Follow these steps each time you want to transform a new photo and enjoy creating your own lineup of designer toy-inspired characters.